This video will show you how to winterize your EZ-FLO injector. If you live in such an environment where blowing out your irrigation system is necessary, you will want to disconnect your EZ-FLO first. EZ-FLO tanks are not designed to withstand compressed air, so you'll need to isolate them before blowing out your irrigation. Here are a few simple steps to winterize your EZ-FLO. Turn the shutoff valves to the closed position. Disconnect the shutoff valves from the cap by pulling the washer against the shutoff valve. Loop the black tubing into the clear tubing using the shutoff valves and storing the washers on the loop. Keep the excess clear tubing with the cap. Turn the shutoff valves back to the open position. Drain your EZ-FLO tank of all liquid and then store it in either the garage or a shed. Or leave the tank in the valve box with no liquid and the cap off. You may now proceed to blow out your irrigation system.